So today I wanted to do a Dollar Tree versus Pottery Barn, and let's talk about these premium flicker flameless birch wax pillar candles that they've named, and topping off at almost $80 to do this. And you know your girl had to go to Dollar Tree and look for some materials to see if I could make a dupe using Dollar Tree products, and I did find things. So Dollar Tree has these flameless LED candles. The only thing about them is that the top kind of waves in and out, whereas it's not like a complete flat top. So that did make wrapping it a little bit more difficult, but it was really easy to do once I found my razor blade, which you're gonna see. But I found this sticker like shelf liner, and it works so perfectly because even if you mess up as you wrap it around your candle, you can still peel it right back off easily and readjust and realign. But can we talk about how beautiful this pattern is from Dollar Tree? I was so excited when I found this because it gives it that faux tree birchwood kind of look, and all I did was measure it out. And the beautiful thing about this paper liner, not paper liner, but this liner, is that it has like a guideline of cutting on the inside, and so it made it really easy to cut in a straight line, and it was just perfect. So I'm just measuring out the candle, and then again all I did was wrap each candle around with the paper. Now I was showing you that they had a different style as well, but it wasn't a sticky paper, it was more like a shelf liner grip, but you can use that as well and just use hot glue to secure it to your candle. And then again I took a razor blade to kind of clean up the top, but I also realized that it was very easily manipulated, so you can actually cut that candle as well. It was pretty soft. So if you wanted to have like a flat top, you could probably take a razor blade, which you can also get at Dollar Tree. And the dupe cost to this project was $4 compared to $80. And I made 3 candles. That's absolutely insane. So I hope that you guys love this dupe. I know it is not a perfect one-to-one, but it is pretty darn close. Now let's get into the next dupe, which also blows my mind a little bit because Pottery Barn's trying to sell this for $20. And hey, I love Pottery Barn. I feel like there's a lot of amazing products that I would definitely buy, but things like this, I just feel like why? Because I can just do it myself. So I'm showing you a version that I already created from all Dollar Tree products with this Dollar Tree face, but it was actually plasticky. It wasn't glass, but it looked kind of real too, so you couldn't really tell. And I just filled it with some filler pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and then I realized I had my own vase lying around from flowers that I had received before. So if you have a vase lying around, you could definitely do what I did. And then I got these pumpkins, which you would have seen in a haul if you watch my videos, and I just pulled the little alligator clip off, or the little clip, and I filled the vase with it, and it cost me $3 versus $20. So I thought that was really crazy, but also really excited that I was able to find some Pottery Barn dupes at Dollar Tree. I've been wanting to do that for a while now, and I hope that you guys love this fall dupe, and please give this video a thumbs up. And that's it for today's video. I'm gonna see you really soon. At the end of this week we're probably looking at some Halloween dupes, so stay tuned. And I have some other ones from Pier 1 if you haven't seen those videos, and I'll link them at the end for you. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.